Yes, class. Good morning to all of you. The topic synonym we have done yesterday. We started the topic synonym. A synonym is a word that has almost same meaning or nearly same meaning. It's synonym. Synonym means same answered word. The word that is giving the same meaning. That is synonym. For example, admire, praise, short, brief, close, shut. So these are the synonyms, same answered words. And yesterday we discussed some synonyms, synonym and their sentences also. Now, today again we are discussing the same, and also we shall discuss the exercise of the chapter. Along with synonym, we shall discuss the exercise of the chapter also. So today we are going to do this page. It is differentiate. See on the top it is differentiate. Differentiate means distinguish. See the sentence. A wise person can differentiate between good and bad. A wise person can differentiate between good and bad. Then diminish. Diminish means decrease. This medicine will diminish the pain, or this medicine will decrease the pain. Both are correct. Then disappear. Disappear means vanish. Disappear, vanish. In a moment, the killer disappeared. In a moment, the killers disappeared. Then disclose, reveal. Disclosed, reveal. His enemy has disclosed all the secrets. His enemy has disclosed all the secrets. Then disgrace. Disgrace means shame. His bad deeds brought disgrace to the family. His bad deeds brought disgrace to the family. Then dislocate. Dislocate. Then distract. Dislocate, distract. Heavy rain have dislocate road traffic. Then next dull. Dull means stupid. Dull means stupid. A dull person cannot understand such difficult ideas. A dull person cannot understand such difficult ideas. Then eager, keen. Eager, keen. She is very eager to learn English, so she wants a good tutor. She is very eager to learn English, so she wants a good tutor. Then endure. Endure, bear. Endure, bear. Then the old man could not endure the death of his son. The old man could not endure the death of his son. The old man could not endure the death of his son. Endure means bear. Then enormous. Enormous, huge. Enormous, huge. The rich man had enormous sums of money. The rich man had enormous sums of money. Then entire. Entire, whole. I have finished the entire work. Then feasible. Feasible means practicable. Feasible, practicable. I dropped the scheme because it was not feasible. I dropped the scheme because it was not feasible. Then fortunate. Fortunate means lucky. Fortunate, lucky. He was fortunate enough to get a very good job. He was fortunate enough to get a very good job. Then generally means usually. He visits me generally on Sundays. Then handsome, good looking, hard, tough, impartial, fair, last, final, lone, solitary, then low, poor. I have a very poor opinion about his honesty. He is cunning and greedy. Then low, poor. I have a very low opinion about his honesty. He is cunning and greedy. Then matter means affair. I have no interest in others' matters. I have no interest in others' matters. Then merciless, cruel. Let's not be merciless to birds and beasts. Let's not be merciless to birds and beasts. Then merit. Merit means deserve. A brilliant officer merits promotion. A brilliant officer merits promotion. Then bare means naked. He has nothing to cover his bare body. Then narrate means relate. So in this way we are able to solve the exercise also. Or some more you can say necessary, it is essential, nil, zero, noted, famous, numerous, many, offense, crime, often, frequently, pain, hurt, pardon, excuse, perfect, ideal, plainly, clearly, pleasurable, enjoyable, polite, courteous, possibly, perhaps, reasonable, fair, remark, comment. And we have discussed many synonyms here, and on the base of this discussion we will solve the exercise tomorrow. So you read all the pages that we have done. You read all the pages in your book. Then you will be able to solve the exercise. You try and tomorrow we shall discuss. Okay, so it's bye for today.